Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been filming in a while, but as you can hear, I am still a little sick. My voice was very horrible for the past week and I just felt like I couldn't sit down to film because it just sounded really bad. But today I did decide to film this look for you guys. This look is perfect if you're going out for an evening event or a gala or a dance or whatever. I feel like this look is perfect for nighttime and a pretty look for an evening wedding. I feel like it's just so classic. A red lip is just so beautiful and I love how it looks with my black hair. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin, and I'm taking this Sekkisei Herbal Gel. The packaging is beautiful. I've been obsessed with this brand. And let me show you the product. It's just a nice cream. I've never tried the cream, so I'm pretty excited. I'm just gonna scoop it out. It has this little spoon, so you don't have to dip your fingers in there. Wow, you guys, it feels amazing. Foundation, I'm mixing my Maybelline Fit Me foundations, the matte and poreless, in 332 and 220. I'm going to prime my face with the Makeup Forever Smooth Skin Primer. Mainly in the areas where you get oily, which is the forehead and nose, so your T-zone. I am sick, that's why I haven't been posting any videos, because my voice was completely gone, but it's slowly coming back. And I am starting off with my foundation for this look. I'm just highlighting and concealing. This is very important so your makeup looks really put together. To follow these steps to highlight the center of your face and then just blend it out with a sponge, and then we're gonna set it with a translucent powder. I know we look a little crazy right now, but you guys are gonna see the finished look. You guys are gonna love it. It's the suede, which is like a gray tone from the Huda Beauty palette, and my Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm just gonna slightly blend this onto my crease. So something like that, nothing crazy. We are going to do a wing, so I'm going to use a gel liner by e.l.f. and this angled brush that I love, which I got at Michael's, the arts and crafts store. I've mentioned it before on my channel. It's by the brand Princeton and it's just an angled brush. This is a gel liner I used, like $3. I used the black one. I love this one. It's just very creamy and you can layer it up. There's some gel liners that if you layer it, it like removes what's underneath. I don't know why, and it gets like very crummy. This one is just very, like, it's legit a gel. It's gel formula, like straight up gel. So I'm just gonna do my little flick first, very even. Now I'm just gonna go in and do the top line. And I just line it and connect it, and then I fill it in and tweak it a little bit. I do want a more dramatic wing, so I'm going to take more gel and keep filling it in. So I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are Iconic Lite by House of Lashes, and I thought they were just perfect for this cat eye look, because they are shorter from the front of the eye, the inner corner, and then they just get long and wispy. And honestly, I feel like lashes with winged liner gives your eyes such a beautiful look, even if you don't have a lot of shadow. So as you can see the difference, there is a difference. This eye just looks so much like, you know what I mean? And the other one is, it's still good, but it's like a little sad. And we want to make her happy, so we're going to put eyelashes. And these are dramatic. I mean, for me, they're pretty dramatic. They're very lightweight though. You don't even feel them on your eye, which is great. And that's why I'm a huge fan of these. So while I let this dry a little bit, I'm going to go back in with the color Suede and just kind of apply a little bit more to my crease. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to take my Brow Wiz in Ebony and fill them in. Like once the eyebrows are on, the look starts coming together. I really do like how my brows look when I use powder for the front. It's just a light touch and it looks very, very natural. So I'm going to take this Kevyn Aucoin. It's called the Neo Lime Light. It's an iridescent glow in Ibiza and it has a nice purple shade, but I'm going to take the lightest color with this pointy brush and I'm just going to apply that right in the inner corner to give a nice glow. And I'm also going to take that same color and apply it to my brow bone. It's a brush by Anastasia. And I'm going to blend some of that Suede to my lower lash line. This color on the lower lash line looks so beautiful because it's not too brown, it's not too dark. It just adds a nice smoky look to the eye. I'm going to apply some mascara. This one's by Covergirl. This is the Flourish by Lash Blast, which has been a really nice mascara, especially for the lower lashes. For the top, I'm just going to apply the mascara just to blend some of my real lashes with the falsies. And then for the lower lashes, I'm going to use this primer, which is also by Covergirl. This is the Lash Blast Amplify Primer. I'm not a huge fan of primers, but this one I really like because it doesn't leave clumps and it actually makes your lashes longer before mascara. So I'm going to apply it to my lower lashes. If you are a huge fan of lash primers, this one's really good. And if you're not, you should definitely try it because I just love that it doesn't leave clumps. I haven't tried this primer with another mascara. I've only been using it with this one ever since I got it, and so far I'm liking it, especially if I'm not wearing eyelashes but I want my real lashes to look like falsies. These two right here are a great combo. The primer, when I first applied the primer, I was like, oh no, it's gonna be clumpy like all the other primers that I've tried. But then I went in with the mascara and I was like, okay. And I like that the mascara actually covers the lash primer so it doesn't look white. This is the Stay Matte Liquid Color in the shade, I'm not sure, it says Fire Starter. So it's a nice red, but it's not a crazy pure red. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about when I apply it. It's a very comfortable color. There's a lot of reds that feel a little dry, especially if they're liquid lipstick or matte. But this one feels so comfortable to the lips. So I just wanted my lip color to be on my lips already. So for my bronzer, of course, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this bronzer by Becca in Capri Coast. It's just starting to go away now, so I'm gonna need another one soon. Just contouring and bronzing at the same time. Just adding some there to my forehead. I love applying bronzer to my forehead, you guys know this. To my temples, it's my favorite thing. It looks so pretty in pictures. And of course, to define your cheekbones. Whatever is left on my brush, I like to do on my jawline. But you guys see how classy this look is? It's just so pretty. I love it so much. I'm going in extra with my contour and my bronzer, and I'm applying it to my cheekbones as well, because this is going to serve as my blush. That's what I meant to say. I'm not going to actually use a blush because when I have a red lip, I feel like just bronzer looks pretty with a highlight over it. A little bit on my nose. But I don't really apply a blush. I feel like these brown tones look just fine with this look because it's not so dramatic and it's not a lot of color going on. And for highlight, I am going to take Opal by Becca Cosmetics as well. And this is the highlight right here. I feel like this also looks really well with a red lip. And I just love how it looks. Do you guys see how that looks over the bronzer? It just looks like it's meant to be. Very, very nice. I'll put a little bit on my chin because I just like how it looks with the red lip, of course. I like how everything looks with highlight. I just feel like highlight is one of my favorite products. I used to never wear highlight. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll link that down below for you guys. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.